Our crews out there on the scene have just confirmed a person has died after a tree fell on them. Reports of this incident came in just before 11:30, so less than an hour ago. Our photographer there on the scene speaking with fire crews, and they did confirm that someone died. That tree, you see some of the limbs there out in the road. This is right near Marlboro and Whiteman Streets. This is actually in the City Heights neighborhood. It is just near the 15, just a couple blocks east of the 15 freeway on Whiteman Street. And it comes as large wind gusts are being reported through San Diego and inland valleys, gusts up to 30, even 40 miles per hour.
Shortly after 11 o'clock, we received a call for a man who had been hit by a tree. Right, and he was standing on the corner today. The tree, the first tree branch fell. It struck him, knocking him unconscious. Our crews found him in cardiac arrest. They did everything they could. Unfortunately, the tree was too heavy, right? And so right now, the city is conducting an investigation on the tree itself and who it belongs to and who's responsible. We're going to get it cut down today so that the family behind us, his family, can get back into their house before tonight, before the rain.
Oh, yeah, terrible to hear what happened there. You really feel for that family. Christmas Eve, there you see the branches of that large tree, even that firefighter right there who's speaking impacted. Of course, this is emotional for so many people. We are getting reports because of the strong winds of power outages as well. Places like Logan Heights and OB, in fact, in Lemon Grove right now, 1,200 people without power. So the wind is certainly whipping up right now, affecting many neighborhoods in the form of some downed trees, down branches, a lot of debris flying around right now. We have a crew on the way. They are there right now gathering all the information they can at the scene there in City Heights. And we'll be sure to bring you more details, any information we have on our later newscasts tonight.